Just use the top button. Like I said, just hold your chest, kind of look at it. Don't stare. Here, look at the garage door. Yeah, if there's a man door to get through, or hi. Oh, yep, I understand that. Yeah, I don't want to.
You said you were coming.
Well, that's good. I just figured this one we better take a look at because it looks a little. It's interesting. All right.
Weird.
All right, guys, we're at this very interesting job here. I'm going to show you around a little bit. Look at this header here. Got tracks going up in there. Everything's on a slant. Well, we got an old Stanley, it looks like. So I brought my helper today. Emmy, do a wave. So this job is really interesting. So this is how I'm going to look at this. I want to show this. I want to give you guys examples of how to do this. So right now, my point of interest here is everything's slanted here. So I definitely need to get a floor to ceiling to make sure we can make a standard trolley, not a standard trolley, but a standard torsion spring garage door work here. It's got extension springs right now. So first of all, I'm going to do roughly here. And this is about 7/8 to that board. So 7 foot 8 inches. And luckily the best part is if you got like a body camera or something you can wear, you can talk about this stuff and then you got footage. That's why I always really stress to you guys about taking videos of stuff. So 7 foot 8 inches. And that is that top of that board right here. And then I am curious. I am going to say roughly, we're going to use about 8 foot. I'm going to say 8 foot. Just trying to get my head wrapped around. Like I said, it's better to have it than not have it. So put 2 by 4 board. And then we had 8 foot. We're going to say 8 foot. And that's to ceiling. Alright, so we got that. What else? We got some stuff that's getting a little... It's definitely a little fishy. This is... I don't like this. I don't like this. So more likely the photo eyes are going to get mounted to the ground. Maybe clipped to the track. Maybe. 2 by 4. It's a goofy one. So another reason I want to look at this door was because we have a man door here. And you can see the track. It's going above here. So if we do more of a lay back like this is fine in. See how I can see it on the picture? There you go. So we got the door here. We got the track here. So here's the thing, right? I did the normal measurement here, right? You level this out right here. This is about 16 and a half, 17 inches for this. Some of this older stuff can change. It can be different. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure I cover all my bases, is I'm going to find out what this door is right now. So this door, I'm going to say is 82 inches to the top. So that way I know. So I'm also going to rate 82 inches. I'm going to just put top of man door. Like I said, you cover all your bases. We're here, right? This is also why it's really nice to have a camera or something recording so you can talk to yourself. If you don't have a second person, I got a camera girl, so I'm lucky about it. I'm gonna go it up right here, and like I'm gonna give myself a little fudge factor. So it's really probably about 97. 97 is about my max. I'm gonna say about 90. I'm gonna do 8 foot. 8 foot. And like I said, with your recording, right? Even if you just put your phone in a holster like this and you're recording yourself talking, can be a really big help. Because this, like I said, there's a lot of complications here. So this one, we're going to say 8 foot, and that is to the ceiling. I'm just going to put joists. Okay. So basically, the reason I'm doing this is I got to figure out if I got to go 15-inch radius in here or 12 will work. I'd rather go 12 because the reason I would rather go 12, this is a personal opinion, is I can bolt my flag bracket to the side without worrying about so much of this conundrum up here. So I'd rather go 12, but I don't know, baby. And here's another thing. I'm already looking at this side. This side is really combobulated. It's buried. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to measure to the bottom of the track. So we're going to say bottom of the track is about 89 and a half. 89 and a half. Of track. Okay, so we got that. Now we got to figure out what we're going to do up here.
I believe these places messed up.
Yeah, it's goofy, isn't it?
God, some of these places. Lord have mercy.
Yeah, I know.
They don't care.
Oh, for sure.
You lived in this. Come on.
I know. Some people just
Don't care.
no, not at all.
I'm glad we're not in the Grand Rapids area. I mean, we used to do so many Grand Rapids, I wanted to puke.
Really? What do they do? They just turn them around? They rent them?
Got them.
Got them and then just...
Sometimes they sell them, sometimes they rent them at a higher price. By
Is
the
it?
time we're done, it's like $2,500 a month.
Yeah.
$3,000.
Right.
Back when somebody was living there, they're probably paying $500.
Sure.
They didn't give a shit. It wasn't theirs.
Right.
And they leave everything, especially the fridge and stove nasty. That was the biggest buff, or the toilet.
The fridges are nasty. They leave stuff in those and if they're not turned on.
Oh, it was one house. It was bad. Quince, I can't get that out of there. He said, I know you can. I said, I think.
So I believe the customer said it was an 8x7. We're going to measure it, just verify. To make sure an 8x7 will work in here. So it's 8. But it's one of those things, once you're here. Yeah, basically 7. We'll check the outside to make sure, we'll verify. Because maybe something funny is going on out there, but we'll say 8x7. So that's why some of the stuff I like to opening size, we got door size. I'm just going to put 8x7, and then I'll measure the outside too. What I'm concerned about is is this. How do we gain access to our track? You see how bad? We're buried in here. So this is not. I got a photo on the old Stanley. I know you guys like looking at the old Stanleys. The old plastic trolley. Wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. Cool. All right, shut it off for a second. Looks like we got good surface area here. So you guys let me know what you do or how you do it different or any tricks of the trade you got. Just remember, get out there, take your time, just get started, get something done, and Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.